don't know why.
Is this safe to drive like this?
Say the things that you said. I don't know if you should just say stuff. Random.
Good morning, citizens. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, guys, today is vlog day, and I wanted to take you guys with me to Ikea. Yes, I'm trying to get this closet done. I've been working on this closet for too long because I can't make up my mind. So today, me and Babe is going to go to Ikea and get another portion. Over here, I think I'm going to take out my boost boxes. I'm out of breath because I just ran up the steps, y'all. I'm going to take out my boost boxes, and I'm going to put another cabinet here. So I'm waiting for Babe. He's going to come in here, and I'm going to show him where I want it. And I'm going to get dressed, and we're going to head to Ikea and probably grab some lunch. Oh, my battery's about to die. This is a mess. But anyway, before my battery die, yeah, so this room is just too crowded. Like, every day I gotta take this out before I film. I got boots and stuff that I need to like really, I want to have it look more like a little showroom, like a boutique. So I'm going to put another, I think this is a 19. I'm going to put another 19 here. And I'm undecided what I want to do with my sneaker wall, because I really want to put more cabinets here as well for hanging, so I don't have to keep this clothing rack. So we're gonna head to Ikea. Okay, full battery. So like I was saying, 19-inch I'm gonna pick up today. I'm probably gonna make it this just like this, where it's gonna be shoes and bags together. So I will catch y'all in a minute. I'm gonna make breakfast, wait for Babe so I can show him what I want, but I'm pretty sure it's a 19-inch can fit here. And we're going to head to Ikea, so I will see y'all in a minute. So what I was saying is, I want to have these boots going across here. So I want to bring this bottom shelf up. I guess, I don't know, like maybe to here. Should be high enough. Whatever, however high this has to be from here. So, so I'm going to lose 2 shelves. That's fine. I'll just lose 2 shelves. And I guess for this, the box is going to be here. Should I leave it like this and just open up the one that's going to be over here?
Open it up.
Like, start the shelves. Should I have them symmetrical, like the same? Or should I just...
No, I would do the one in the middle. You could do the one in the middle high. And then these 2 on the sides don't have to be as high.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, but it's all on how it looks when you do it. So you'd have to do it, look at it, see if you like it. You know.
Okay.
But
Okay, so let's just get it started. Welcome to Ikea. You ready to shop?
Now.
That I looked. $419.
Oh, the lights. That's what we were supposed to do the last time.
I'm sorry.
I don't know if I like them though. The way how I just sit right here like this.
I don't know the way it's gonna fit.
Man, I don't know if I like that. I don't like how you can see this like this. I was trying to show you the inserts over there, but you had disappeared. This.
Sorry. I gotta get my car.
Think I should get one of these? For my other one? Mama said I want to do two drawers like this, like one here and one there.
No,
Like the other one I need for my socks.
yeah, that's not the one.
All right, then they got this. They got these.
You need that?
Yeah, it keeps like some of your stuff like super neat. So those are not the lights that I have at home?
Yeah. But we didn't get a big one like this. I think we got a smaller one. I think we got this and then maybe two of these, two smaller ones. We needed this size.
I think I'm gonna have to get in the back.
Bam! It's gonna go like this. And then it's gonna go like that. How much further do I have?
You can go up some more. It's just gonna be a divide. Oh no, you can't. Unless you put it on my side.
I don't know why.
Is this safe to drive like this?
Say the things that you say. I don't know what makes you just say stuff random.
Babe, is it safe to drive like this? That's what I'm asking you.
I figured we just drive with it in the truck with the back open. Now, is it safe? You said you want to drive like this. Now you want to know if it's safe. You should have had one of them things.
Hey guys, so it is the next day clearly. Let me get my focus. Let me turn some lights on. Hold on guys. Let me turn some lights on. Oh, that's bright. So, like I was saying, it is clearly the next day. But we got everything that I needed. Almost everything. I got 2 shelves that are supposed to be getting delivered, I think tomorrow. But we're going to put the shelf up today. So I'm going to set the camera up so you guys can watch. And then, guys, I have a unboxing video. This weekend, I have some packages. So, we're going to get this box up. Get it all set up, and I'm going to show you guys what I did, and I think that's it. And then I'm going to record my unboxing video for this weekend. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload it tomorrow, which is Saturday, or if I'm going to wait till Wednesday to upload it, because those are like my days I like to upload, is Wednesday and Saturday. So we will see. So let's get ready to start putting this box together, guys. So we're gonna be putting a 19-inch right here. I got rid of my boost boxes, y'all. I love my boost tower, but I needed space, so keep on watching.
Looks like we need some more tools.
It's almost done, y'all. It's almost done. Then I'm going to put some stuff in there. So I'm going to be missing the top shelf all at the top because I ordered the glass one because they was out of stock in the store. And the bottom shelf is a glass shelf. So that's supposed to come tomorrow. But other than that, ready to go. What's wrong, babe?
Just don't want to go down.
And my shelves are not attached to the wall yet because I'm not 100% sure if I want to keep it like this, so it's not attached to the wall and they're not attached to each other, so I can still move them around. But so far I think I like the way it is, so I don't think I'm going to change it. And like I was saying about this, my shoe wall, I'm thinking about taking some of the shoes down and maybe get shorter shelves and then take another unit all the way over to the wall.
Not trying to do that.
You don't have a choice, babe, if that's what I want.
We're not doing that one. Pardon me, ma'am. Come on.
Okay, guys, so I'm still working over here. I'm going to try to set everything up. But I think I'm going to switch. I don't know if I want to have it like mixed designs, like designers like Louis and Gucci all on one side, or if I should mix it up. I don't know, but it's going to take me some time to get it together. Plus, I have a few new pieces that I will be unboxing. That's going to fill in these empty spaces over here. So that is it for this vlog. I'm going to start working on my unboxing video. And I want to say thank y'all for tuning in to Life with Syd. And if you're new here, girl, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You've been here all this time. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video you will be the first to be notified. Okay, citizens, I will see y'all in a couple days. Peace.